You know, you have them big crab leg there.
Yeah.
The crab claw, and you bust it,
Yeah.
and you put it in your mouth and go so.
Welcome back to Stuck on an Olive. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. They say you can tell when someone's smiling just through the eyes, even though I have the mask on, but no problem. So we are back out here at Port Royal, and yo, I ain't gonna lie, it smells very fishy, but it's definitely a fishing village, and we're out here back by the Oyster man. And I have two special guests for you guys today. You guys have never seen them interacting together, and I think they're gonna be great at telling us what these oysters, well actually one of them is going to be great at telling us what these oysters are like, because I think she's had it before or she hasn't, I don't even know. But anyway, I'm just out here taking in all these birds. I think they're seagulls or whatever. Drop in the comments if you know what kind of birds these are, but anyway, they make a lot of noise and they're just out here trying to catch some fish. So let's go get some oysters really quick. Look who is on the vlogs in our short shorts.
Hi,
oh
welcome
my
to Stuck on an
God.
Island. We're stuck with us and we're always smiling.
What's up? So you don't know we're there. So we're here with Jilly and Sarah. So Sarah's the one who actually told me about this place. Jilly, I remember you had messaged me on Instagram about this place. Have you ever been here before? Or
Yes, I have been here.
You've been here before.
Yeah,
Okay, so you know the trips already.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So I guess we can change the narrative today, which is All right, so we're back out here again. Yo, vibes. They take off your beard, you know, I show pretty face and beard things. All right, so we're there, so now with the Oyster man again. You guys have seen this man. Again, remember, say a Carnival Oyster bar. You see me? And we saw a couple of the Oyster men in other videos, and we never even bother go over to there because, you see me, this is which part there. You get any new flavors or we never tried last time?
This for sure. Look, them two are new.
Them two here look completely different.
Sriracha sauce.
Yeah?
This is what, sriracha sauce?
What you call it?
What's up, one spicy sauce?
No man, this is nata. You know nata?
I'm not all.
Anato.
Yeah, which
Oh.
I use and color me.
Color, yeah.
You
Oh.
can see them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
that.
a tree.
Okay.
And a red
Kind of
seed.
like not me. The oil, right?
Yeah, you color the eye. Yeah. No man, it's a tomorrow.
This one is annata sauce, guys.
Chili in the easy, you know.
Not bad. What is it? It's sweet. It says like sweet and sour sauce. Turmeric, okay. This one is turmeric sauce.
Yeah.
And let me get that taste out.
You know, it's like a whole lot
That one is like a June plum type of vibes.
No man, that is tomorrow.
It's turmeric. What?
Turmeric.
It's have a touch of June plum and passion. Don't it? Yeah.
Yeah, the back of my name.
I forgot you said my name.
Listen,
Yeah, I got you. Ooh, that's nice though.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm gonna foreign.
Yeah.
Eh?
Alright, so let's get the show on the road. We know what the flavors are basically. So let's get these oysters into our mouths and yeah. Let's go.
I don't know.
We are going for
I like the flavors on the sauce. I like the flavors really. That's my favorite part.
Yeah.
So just so you guys can know, we're out of Port Royal side where Gloria's is just over there. So yep, let's get straight into this. I mean, Sarah always a feel for oysters all the time. I feel for some
Which one is
oysters.
this one?
Sweet and hot.
Sweet and hot, or this one? This is Sarah, the taste for this one.
On the vlog.
Yeah.
Sweet and hot.
I like things that are sweet and hot.
Things that are hot.
It's nice.
Nice.
I'll strip it again for the rest of the night. And this are the same thing, the sweet and hot?
Yeah. Two different ones. Taste that.
This one's sweet one.
So what you get from it when you eat oysters? What exactly?
And we have tamarind sauce.
You know, that's an oysters is an aphrodisiac, right?
Tomato sauce with it.
Right, that's what I heard.
Would you say that you need an aphrodisiac in your life, or
Me, I don't need an aphrodisiac. in my
exactly?
life, but,
So
I mean, I'm nothing wrong if you.
Hello,
It's-
hello. It's not only that it's good for your night. Tighten glands and tissue. So it's like how you work your back regular.
Work my back a door, sir.
Who's want to lead them on with it?
What you know about me, sir? Who tell him a story? Somebody tell him a story. Who tell him?
Tighten glands and tissue.
for me, I like coming over here because it's like the experience. I think it's really cool. How much? How much are the dozen again? 500. So we can get like another dozen. Yeah. Cause
You don't want to?
Yeah.
You want to? Alright, you want one? This one is a sorrel.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, that's his favorite.
That's actually my favorite one. Oh. Yeah.
Which is a sorrel.
Sorry, it's good. This is the honey one Sarah's gonna have.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
So you know, so the oyster man real and serious, you know, cause Sarah
Outstanding.
come from work.
These are hot, Sunny?
Yeah.
You want to taste that one there?
I don't know. Maybe I'm going to make your body stand up.
But me not my body.
I don't know, sir.
worry.
So I look for the vagina.
And your body come have a stand up.
I probably make it twins. Some shit.
Just in fact, guys.
You say Sarah one tastes good? I like the Sarah one for real. It's a vibe.
New too. What's this?
Tomato there.
Oh, okay.
This is what, tomato?
And that's for sure.
Where's the horse tonic one?
Cereal there.
So what you have in this one? What you put in this one? Or you can't tell me a secret.
No hot tonic.
What name so?
Hot tonic, I'll see you chart. Then the horse, like when they want meat.
Like real horse?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
And if you know anything about horses, they have.
Them penis is very big.
Yes.
Oh my
I'm sorry.
gosh.
Now where they ready?
No, them things.
So what you say about the horse tonic thing? Explain that to the people them, because they want to know horse tonic.
Hot tonic is a thing that you use the horse when they want meat.
Yeah.
When them drying at them tongue,
Okay.
you stiffen them private.
Private area.
Yeah.
That make a whole heap of sense.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
man,
I
good,
always
good
used to
for
wonder,
man
like,
have
what
energy.
donkeys and horses
Man
do.
use it as energy.
Energy.
Yeah,
Okay.
because them so well hung.
Yeah, so
You get-
not enough blood
blood
flow
flow
down
through
there.
your
Yeah,
head.
to keep
And
it.
that can-
Yeah, makes sense. Makes
Yeah.
sense.
But
No, it's
forget about-
it's educational. It's
Yeah.
educational.
Hands on the ground, like them at 5 feet. It's crazy, yeah. It's a lot.
So I'm saying I saw my $1.
Sir, you wanna have no use. So first you could even stand up.
And no.
I'm sorry, take it stand up, bend up so.
I joke, man, I put one brace behind it, man.
I don't want to put it in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Breathe.
When put it in, me take off the brace and show me.
Oh my gosh. Point blank period, like once you're over here, it's gonna get like a whole bunch of sex head. You have to be like really, open. Alright, so I'm gonna try that one now.
That's a tomato. I think you like
It is
Carabao.
It's a vibe, it's almost like a cherry.
Cherry.
It's about like
Yeah.
liquor in there.
Give me two more sharp the tomato. It's good. The tomato one is probably one of my new favorites. I thought it was gonna be like, yeah.
Tomato.
Tomato,
like a
but
Bloody Mary or something.
I thought it was gonna be like a Bloody Mary, and I don't like Bloody Mary.
Unless you put a lot of it.
This is a life, guys. I'm out here.
Okay, now.
The two beautiful co-hosts tonight being served.
No, man, I said, I thought it would taste like that.
Oh, no, this is really good.
So you still think it's better than the sorrel or just another flavor?
Alright, for me, when you come on the food, what I consider stuff good is when it's untraditional. It's non-traditional, and then it surprises you. So like that's why I give it over sorrel, because sorrel by itself normally.
Yeah, you know what sorry tastes
Yeah.
like? Oh god, you owe that Pepsi.
Where are the eyes coming from? Girls, it's like girls.
I should
Girls.
never catch me.
It's nice. I only want this tomato. Tomatoes are bad.
So what do you just?
Your Highness.
I just try to mix
Thank you so much.
Anything that over same time and make it same day you.
So you just come up with an idea and then you just put something together.
No man, this no, the tomato one.
Really good.
The tomato one is really good.
Oh,
You taste the tamarind? You taste tamarind?
I think I'm gonna try the tamarind again. You can't get bored of the Oyster man place. I can't get boring because the flavors them just different.
keeps it coming back.
Been more than one.
So that's good.
Thank
Alright.
you so much,
let's
Sarah.
cheers.
Let's cheers to it.
Cheers.
1, 2,
2, 3,
3.
cheers.
Not bad. It have a tangy.
It's buzzy,
Yeah. It have a nice tangy.
but I still go with tomato.
I like the
I like the
tamarind.
tamarind too.
Really?
Give me a mix.
Give me one more. Give me one more tomato.
Put 2 more on
Two
there.
more tamarind.
You know, want to get some video of some of a glorizer? No?
You can.
All right.
So, hold on. Me know why you put it on them one.
All right. One more tomato. Tomato is really good, guys.
Put them back. You want to put them one in the bag.
We love a
You see
tomato.
what I say? Them one with the bag in the bag.
Hey, where
Tamarind
that-
would be nice.
You know, like when you
Alright, let me try tamarind
in the
Yeah, in the bag. You get
Yes,
the square.
that's literally what it is.
Oh, when you squeeze up the tamarind in the school bag by the time there.
Yeah, that's how it is.
School days.
It bring back that
Alright,
little
Memory, yep.
Try this again.
Memory.
Yep.
I can't taste it. No, I taste it.
What that?
Yeah, the tamarind.
Nice.
I really think, yeah, you're right. But I still like the tomato.
I think it's like, I think this one just have a little bring back like nostalgia.
Nostalgia.
Yeah.
By the memory.
I'm gonna try to bring me down memory lane with this tablet.
Nah.
So, yeah.
No, it's
But
really
I literally
good.
forgot about those days, you know, actually squeezing up the
Squeeze the
tamarind.
bag till it's soft.
And then you just eat it.
Yo, back when life was much simpler.
Never have no
You
stress
know,
over the world.
nobody ever worry about
How
COVID.
soft can you squeeze your tamarind?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So good.
You don't find a couple of not bringing a couple of
If you guys remember that tamarind bag thing, drop it on your Oyster. Yeah, man, I get it now for real. No
Put
vibes.
in the comments. You go through there.
Refer me a try, but I come forward. I really like.
So I'm gonna take you guys to Gloria's right now. I think I've been to Gloria's maybe once. Yeah, it's kind of pathetic, but guys, that guy in the car just now was selling kidney with white rice. Like if I wasn't gonna get some food, I'd order some from him and thing. 'Cause that's a vibe. I wanna say one day a while ago. Said 2 minutes go to Gloria's probably like one time. Yeah, probably. Oh, wow.
Very.
So you say food good a while ago? So we are now going to the famous Gloria's that them want to trace me off of, just because I do
Only
not,
been there once.
because I hell shot the place.
That's true. You have a point.
Well, Stephen is still Gloria's one because it's curfew time and them stop serving or whatever the case is. Anyway, we're gonna go to that place with the. I want jerk pork. That's what I.
Yes.
Wait.
Yes. Jerk pork is a must.
Yeah, facts. So you can look for your pork, man. He will be out there waiting for you. Alright, so we're there out of Sarah people in place I know. And you know she love the pork. Pork man especially. So we'll go hold some pork right now real quick. That for me is the best thing that is out here. The pork is definitely A1.
So I'm too stew.
Oh no, but more Jilly, because the first video I wanted to do with Jilly was actually the
Pumps.
Yeah.
yeah, so more you try one of the pump them.
I've been out here one time
Yeah.
and I never like it. But I want to try something.
Alright, so I'll give that a second try. So
You love it.
I can see what I got. So we're back at the same people that we eat from last time. I liked it. Black Cup. Your time now. I want to see if y'all got enjoy. Straight up. Well, you know, so people rate up on the video them say because you're very honest. And it's a different perspective, yeah? Alright, cool. You know, have this grill up and everything already? Alright, boss, a bit grill. Me and Sarah love over here, so. And think, look on that. Vibes. But you want her to try, as in like just boiled, just like that? You can ask him. Go ahead, I mean.
Sorry,
Gonna think.
Sorry.
We can just have one that would taste by itself without the boiled one. The conch.
I still have the cup.
The conch.
Come.
You don't have one without.
Yeah.
Alright, that's one.
Just one taste.
So you try to put her through what you got through for the last
You never
time.
like it, Sarah?
At first, it
I feel
was
like you're
like,
up to something now.
Nah, she just wants you to try.
yeah, but I want them to get your reaction.
Again, if you guys missed that last video, what we did, I'll drop the link somewhere up top. But we are just out at the roundabout where the airport is. That's where we are. In Harborview.
Out. Just, we are clean him up here. Just rinse him up in case any sun on him.
Yeah? So I'm going to try it without seasoning, fresh
Yeah,
cut.
without seasoning.
Nervous.
There we go.
You're nervous?
So nervous.
Okay.
No, man. Let's just try it.
Let's try. So you don't have any seasoning?
No.
It's just
No,
wild?
not just
As
fresh.
Maybe I'll just put everything in my mouth. I just feel like something like that.
Take some time for marinade.
Alright, it tastes like something that I've tasted before. I'm trying to figure out what it is. It don't taste bad. It tastes like the sea. You know, like when you go see and so a lot of going in your mouth. That's how it is. It's about a taste of like crab.
See me tell you?
Yeah, it does.
You know, it was like.
You like it, right?
I do.
Yeah, so when you add the seasoning on it, then you go to our next level.
Yeah, it's nice.
So
I like it. And that is with not on it at all.
so you want one as well, Sarah?
No, I'm not good.
You're good? Okay, so
No, I think I like it prepared like that, but at least it wasn't, you know.
It tastes, it's nice. It have a flavor to it.
That's why
You know, it's not seasoned. I like it.
After a while.
I like it. It tastes like crab. You know,
Yeah.
like what you have, let me tell you what it tastes like. I just figure it out. You know, you have them big crab leg there.
yeah.
The crab claw, and you bust it,
Yeah.
and you put it in your mouth and go so.
I told you guys it has a very crabby type of flavor. But she never believed me, I tell her.
Oh, you tell her already?
Yeah? Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do now. You get it, I'm going to mix it up. Mix up the thing them in there. And make you see.
Everything I simmer down.
Everything I simmer down in there. No.
Yeah. Here you go.
See,
I got a fat, sexy one like you.
Oh my God. You hear that? Man, lyrics up.
Lyrics
Get a fat, sexy one like you. Anyway. My advice is just make sure you mix it up.
Before
last
we
time
eat.
the conch is on the top and the seasoning on the bottom. So
Bottom.
mix up everybody. Yeah. Don't hold me too much to make the juice them run
It's
out.
hot. Me always burn up myself.
Yeah, that me realize.
Alright, maybe, you know, the one I had the first time was not like this. Oh my word.
What's different?
It's different, yeah.
So mix them around.
Let me put it in a cup.
Oh, then
I
a cup.
never like that at all. You had it in a cup like it's like a stew, soup base stew.
Oh,
And
yeah,
I never liked that one at all. Yeah, way different.
We actually got the comes to, you know, whenever they do like it, I don't know.
Yeah, it was like in a cup like a soup base. Yeah, I never liked that. This look like what me think conch supposed to look like. Yeah.
It smells really good. We feel like we'll actually take one to the pot.
It's so hot. But now I'm gonna give them a burn face for no one.
Nah.
want to taste better.
What do you think about that one now?
This one tastes way better than the first one I had.
Way better.
Yeah, the other one was like a soup-based stew. They gave it to me in a cup. I never enjoyed it. This one is good. I think it wants a little bit more pepper.
Little more pepper? You love pepper?
No, it needs a little bit more pepper.
Okay.
It should have a little bit more spiciness to it. Probably, but we don't.
Alright, so we are go over to the original Dandada right now, Portman. Sarah, happy dance vibes. Eh? Oh. You see I watch the video? You see it? You see the boss watch the video them straight. Yeah. I enjoy my sing. Bye. What you get? On the video, no? Yeah. You love her, man. You love her bad. And you get pork too, right? You want some taste? Alright. Love it. I can put it in your work, man, and show them how I go on.
And your co-host.
Yeah. And the co-host. You see, the co-host make you think I go on. So.
Yeah, man, I shot it up, man.
Yeah. Alright, put in your order. What you get?
No, I'm gonna ask if you want quarter or half.
I think I don't know how much how that even look anyway.
That's a quarter? Yes.
Hey, that was the people come and see me say upon your thing, them see me.
Yeah.
On the video them see you
Hey, get them get the intro. La 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 la.
That we love to see, man. People that see me, watch the video and come out and support. Cause the pork good, man.
Yeah, man, they love it, man.
It's really delicious. Man.
People love it, Canada.
Yeah, man.
Sorry, how much you want to tell me, you know?
Really?
You want to mash up your pasta.
Your vibes. Your vibes. Yeah.
I want to taste this one, Natty. I can taste it,
They say she has like a special treatment, you know, watch there. Her extra piece of pork.
Oh God, this is good.
Tell if it tastes the same like usual.
Yeah, man, better.
Jones the same way.
Better.
Jesus. That I love to see.
You come from my front line.
I'm being a joke.
Yes, girl, yes. He said this is a new sauce. I'm not telling me how it.
Oh, it's a new and improved sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that we like this.
Spicy.
Really nice.
Spicy and nice. I remember you said you like the barbecue type of flavor of the and thing, so I'm coming with something different now.
Barbecue, that different kind of twist, same way.
Oh, that different twist.
Yeah.
What do you think about it, Jilika? We know that Sarah love it, you know. Sarah love the pork, man.
This one tell him I eat the skin now.
The skin
Give me a
time.
minute. I'm not taste it right yet.
When she talk the whole like that, she get it right.
She always have us in suspense.
Yeah.
In a dry out, you know, take
In
some
a dry,
some dry out, man.
good.
Yes.
You
Overdone.
see all the skin of that nice caramel look on it. I love it, man.
I know great pork when I taste it.
Trust me.
I want the next one too, you know.
Yeah.
It's good.
Oh God, look at that. You see, man, you gotta watch the video them, you know. You see, presentation up. Yeah, man, our vibes. Yo, just moments like these, I just want to send you guys like a big thank you for the persons who watch the videos and then you actually come out and support the vendors, because you don't know, Portman say, yo, a lot of you from Canada or wherever come down and actually try the food, neighboring communities and whatever has been getting support because you guys watch the videos. So, yo, thank you for giving me this influence to be able to show you guys cool food places and make the video experience a little bit easier, because when I come somewhere, persons might watch the videos and they understand what is it that I'm trying to do. Vibes. Jeez, such a... I'll get no better than that. Such a... Jeez. Woo.
Yeah.
The bread, that mean I look for me, I say like a bread fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see it, man. You can actually see it. That is a vibe. So this one of mine, yeah? Alright, I'm gonna try. This is the new sauce, this one.
600 a quart. 600 a quart.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Oh.
You taste this one already? Kind of touch.
I like the new one.
It's spicy.
The new sauce.
Yeah.
I can choose some new sauce on this, please.
Alright.
New sauce, bad man.
That's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jilly with a classic female touch. Do you want your own? No, I'm fine. I watch out. And yam out everything.
Come on, brother Nancy.
No.
From yours? No, you from
This
hers?
one is mine, right?
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
yours. I'm actually just holding it for her.
1 to 5 is good?
Oh, nice. Alright, guys.
Just eat it crispy. Yeah.